Before I begin inking over my pencil drawing, I always test my inking tools on a scrap piece of paper. You want to know just how much ink is flowing from your brush pen or brush before attacking your drawing, or you may end up laying down too much ink right away. Also, it helps to shape the bristles of your brush to a point if that's the way you need to start. I try to start inking at the upper left of my art because I'm right-handed and want to be inking away from my hand rather than having my hand rest over recently inked areas. Now, as I move along in the piece, I will break this rule of mine because I do like to hop around in my ink drawings if I get bored inking a certain area. And of course, sometimes that causes problems because I put my hand in the ink and, gotta fix those mistakes, but mistakes can be fixed. Notice that I try to lay down my ink on the outside edge of the pencil line and not through the middle of the pencil line. That way I leave room for my shape to be seen. It's important when filling in the background around small shapes like these branches. I use Dr. Martin's Black Star ink to fill in the larger areas. Now, it's a nice, rich black, and while I could use my brush pen to fill in these larger areas, it would take just so much more time than just grabbing my 1/2-inch flat brush and filling those areas in. Now, I'm not inking right up to my pencil lines because I want to use my brush pen to do that so I can work on edge details. I'm also not rushing this stage of the inking. It may seem like filling in the background with just black is simple, but I am trying to be very mindful of the silhouette I'm creating of the figure because that wonderfully pleasing shape of the figure and the wing is what's going to sell this piece. Now already, without doing any detail work, you can see the piece come together and the strong silhouette formed just by spotting those blacks.